Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix the business information you submitted for Shopify Payments couldn't be verified. So, if you're receiving this error while setting up Shopify Payments, follow these steps to fix it. Number 1 is verifying your business information. Ensure that your business name, address and tax details match your official records. If you're a sole proprietor, use your legal name instead of a business name. Double check your tax ID, EIN for businesses, SSN for individuals. Second way to fix this problem is uploading the correct documents. Provide clear, high quality scans of documents such as government issued ID, passport driver's license or national ID. Now make sure the business registration documents are uploaded correctly. Also ensure that the bank statements match the business name. Now, third step to fix this problem is checking your bank account details. Ensure that the bank name, routing number and account number are correct. The account should be in your business or personal name as per Shopify's requirement. Now, if everything is correct but is still not verified, contact Shopify support for manual review. So in order to connect to Shopify's Help Center, click on New tab, search for Shopify Help Center, then click on help.shopify.com and it will take you to this page where you can easily ask this assistant anything you want. You can explain your problem and ask the assistant to connect you to a live agent, after which they will instantly solve your problem manually. Now, while waiting for verification, consider using PayPal, Stripe or other payment gateways to accept your payments. In order to do that, click on settings icon at the bottom left of the screen, choose payments. Now choose add payment method. Here you can search for any of the payment method you want like PayPal, Stripe or other payment gateways. So Shopify may take a few days to verify your details. So be patient and check for email updates. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.